Oh, that's good. Okay. What? What good job? What good job?
He dissed our whole table.
That makes sense.
I didn't say anything.
What'd you say? Why? I wasn't even talking to you.
Like, you know, not like yelling, to like, yeah, have a safe.
Taco.
Tacos.
But also, you were helping me do the actual
Cat.
Go.
No! I was the first. I was the
That's
first.
crazy. Delicious.
Taco. Cat.
Taco.
You better grab it. You better grab it. You guys were really good. Oh my God. Taco. Cat. Do you want me to put it closer to you?
I literally got it.
Okay.
That's fine. Taco.
It's like my boyfriend in Michigan.
Go. That's not fair. You looked at it. This is what he did. He said,
It's okay. It's okay. I'm still gonna lose. Just take it.
No, I didn't.
Can't spell it out.
How did that even happen?
no, why do I have it?
Because you
She's
lost.
doing it wrong. She's going like this.
No, I went like this. Watch the footage.
No, you're going like this.
I didn't. I don't smack my forehead.
Okay,
I'm
come
not
on.
an idiot.
Go,
Okay,
go,
come on.
Lisa.
Arlie did that the first time.
Go.
Oh, one thing that I figured out just now, because I'm going through your recording yesterday's activity. If you were absent, you need to check with your table group and see what you missed. Okay? Because you are still responsible for all those assignments, so you might as well check with your table group and see what you missed.
Taco.
How old are you?
What do? You know he's younger than us?
I'm older than him.
Like 2 weeks.
She's 18 years old.
Don't say go. You're in
Cat. Go.
Keep playing, Gabe. Bro, you're.
How are you guys so fast?
I don't think I even hit the table. I'm not gonna-
Taco.
Cat.
Go.
You guys both finished.
No, I didn't. Cheese, go pizza.
Cheese, pizza.
Pizza.
Oh, pizza.
Taco.
Alright. Like that.
Okay. Taco.
Hey, you can't go on.
Taco.
Let's
No!
take it.
Don't yell at me. Like 5 seconds into
Taco. No. She
Alright,
knew what it
chill
was.
out. So did you.
Okay, ready? Taco.
Oh my god.
You were like
go.
this.
Cat.
You might be the most intelligent being I've ever met.
Go.
Guys, this is mine now. I
Don't
made
say.
present.
No, it wasn't.
Look at your head.
No, it
Look
wasn't.
at my first slide. Does that look good?
These are hella cards.
No, it was due a while ago. I just wasn't here. Remember?
Okay, Taco.
I didn't even know we started.
Why did
You've
you
been
keep
doing that
saying
to me the whole time.
Yeah, it looks good.
Taco.
Does that make sense?
Oh, wait, your turn. Go.
Taco. Taco.
Cat.
Yeah, that's good.
Goat.
Wait, are you serious?
Sorry, Victor.
That's okay.
Taco.
Cat.
Sorry.
Are you just hitting your heads?
I don't know what I'm doing actually. Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Taco.
I was quick with that one too.
No, that's not.
That is fair.
Taco.
Only
cat.
I mean, that didn't actually happen. It was only
I swear you guys aren't even doing it.
What did you
The writer was like, oh,
do?
she's on each other.
I think I did do it.
Taco.
John Frost.
Cat. Go.
I'm like,
And also, I mean, it was like 11.
4,000.
Taco. Cat.
Go.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Go.
Go. Oh! Whoa.
Bro, that looked like a go.
Whose turn is it? Taco.
Cat.
Cheese.
Pizza. Bro, I didn't even press on my head, bro.
Taco. Cat.
You got, can you see I'm still doing my cards?
Taco. Cat.
Let me go. Jeez. You guys aren't even doing, you guys did that.
Hey. Go taco.
Taco.
Cat. Go.
Cheese.
Taco. You're stuck.
Cat.
I did it. 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 I did it.
Taco.
Cat. Go.
Cheese. You have to win. You have to go under Dulce.
Choose you?
You can be arguing though.
Taco. Cat.
You're looking.
No, I didn't.
This is what you're doing.
No, I didn't. You did the same thing. Go. Come on.
Taco.
Felicia. What did I do?
You went like.
Come on.
Go.
I won, didn't I? Let's go. Taco. Cat. What are we doing?
You're not even doing it right.
Neither did you.
I know. That's I said B.
Wait. Whoa. Hey. These are like crazy cards. Okay, let's go.
Taco.
Cat. Oh,
Alicia.
sorry.
Okay, wait, which?
Gorilla. I win. This is fun. I win.
You just said how you ate it.